Today we're going to continue with our theme of 3-dimensional bulletin board ideas, and we'll be doing a daffodil. I decided to go ahead and do this one because it uses all the same components in the design for it as I used in my tulip pattern that we did on my first video. As you notice, I've left my leaves and my stems in place, and the only thing that's changed here is that I've changed the flower to a daffodil, and we'll even use the same pattern exactly to make our daffodil petals as we used for our tulip. Same shape, like a plump light bulb. The only difference is we'll be pleating the bottom of these. I just take and kind of pinch it up like this, and you notice it adds a little different dimension to our petals. So once we start with these, I've already pre-pleated mine to just make it a little faster. Once we start, we'll begin with this one, the very first one, and have it point at 12 o'clock. Then we'll go around the whole edge of the flower, pleating as we go. There are 6 of these that we made. I had to cut 6 of this particular petal to make my flower. Alright, once they're up there, you can work at shaping these just a little bit more if you want, so that they look more like the one that I had to begin with. There we go. Now, we have to finish up the middle of our flower, and for that I cut out about a maybe 8-inch piece of paper, 8 by 2.5, 3 inches, something like that. And you might notice that I've left a couple of little tabs on this center part. What I'm going to do is use these little tabs to start attaching this to our flower petals that I've already put on. So we'll take our stapler. We're going to start with this tab right here on the end and put it right here at the bottom. We're going to start bringing this around, and the second tab will be probably about an 11 o'clock position, and we'll hook that on. The next thing I'm going to do, I'll need a little bit of tape, just like I did for the tulip that we did before. I'm going to bring the remainder of the center around, and I'm just going to tape it to hold it in place. Taping this from the underneath so it really doesn't show very much. And then the final thing, you'll probably notice there's some staples right there in that center part that you can still see. I just cut a little rounded piece that I can place inside of the center of my daffodil. I'm going to use a piece of tape that's sticky on all sides. I'll put that here, and then I will just press that into the center of my flower. Lastly, you can do some final touches here, arranging your petals the way you want them to look, and there you have it. A daffodil that you can use for your spring bulletin boards. And I appreciate you watching, and I hope that you'll continue to tune in because I'm planning to do several more different flowers for our spring designs this year. Thanks a whole lot for watching.